The first Trump meme coin to reach $1 billion mark is MAGA with narrative Trump. In this video, I'll be sharing with you and explaining three things. One, are the reasons why Trump or MAGA will be the first coin to reach $1 billion account. Okay. Two, the price action, and the third goal is how to buy this coin. Okay. So guys, consider supporting my channel by subscribing to this channel. Subscribe, like this video, comment, we get started. Okay. So the first thing, why do I think Trump or MAGA will be the first project, be the first meme coin, Trump meme coin to reach $1 billion market? In fact, this will reach $1 billion market cap very fast. Okay, as the election approaches to reach $1 billion market. Now, this is Poly Market, and on Poly Market, you see is a prediction market, it's a prediction analytics platform. Now, this is a prediction regarding first Trump point to $1 billion, and you can see Trump, which is MAGA. Okay, is the coin, it has 25% chance of hitting $1 billion. Now, Trump of MAGA. Okay, now this is the first data that is pointing to the fact that MAGA will reach $1 billion. Now, the second thing is the narrative. Okay, is the MAGA narrative. The MAGA narrative is the motto for Trump campaign, which means make America great again. Make America great again. And this narrative is bullish. And the US president or the US the fact that President Trump, okay, who has escaped assassination attempt, is running for the U.S. presidency in order to make America great again. Okay, and it's such a bullish narrative. And the second reason is the market cap of MAGA. Let's look at the market cap of MAGA. CoinGecko. Here on CoinGecko, you can see the market cap MAGA, and the all-time market cap is around $775 million. Okay, and currently it's around $244 million. So you can see it there. Now, what does it take to get to $1 billion? It's less than I think it's less than $250 million. Okay, so from the all-time high to $1 billion, which is this the difference between this year and is little. It's very, very little. And for those that will have this project on their portfolio, that it is very easy for it to reach all-time high, to reach $1 billion, and it is an easy play due to the data that is showing that Trump, which is MAGA, will be the first meme coin with a 25% chance meme coin to reach $1 billion. In fact, although this is showing 25% chance, the price action is showing that it is something that can be done just with $250 million added to the market. Okay, so the third reason is the community for this project. Okay, the community of MAGA is such bullish. You can see that it has 33,000 followers, and it has a lot of updates there. The community is engaging. You can see this 9 hours ago. This content was created 9 hours ago. You can see how bullish it is, how bullish the community, how bullish it is. Okay, so the next thing is the price action. Let's look at MAGA on DEX 2. Okay, so this is MAGA. For those that want to buy, this is what you should be looking at. Okay, let's take this and bring it here. Okay, let's say this is support. We'll look at support. For those that want to enter, this is the perfect place to enter this project. This is a perfect place because it's a support. Okay, and now something is telling me that this may reverse. This at support. Okay, so the price action is at support. So if you want to enter 5.1 up to be the good price used to enter, and from here to high, it's already a massive 3x. Okay, and 3x on your investment is such a huge, or on your trade is such a good trade. All right, so the next thing or the last thing is how to buy this coin. Guys, consider supporting my channel by subscribing to this channel, like this video, comment on the video, and let's go to how to buy this coin, how to buy MAGA. So the first thing to do is to go to CoinGecko and copy the contract address. Okay, now you can buy it from either PancakeSwap, this one, but let's buy it. Now PancakeSwap is cheaper, so I recommend buying less gas fee. Okay, but on Uniswap here, okay, if you want to buy on Uniswap, let's say you want to buy, then the first thing you do once you click on, you go to Uniswap, then you go to trade, go to swap. Okay, we are on swap now, so we are swapping from it to Trump. Okay, so what you do is to paste the contract address, copy it. Okay, we'll go there and copy it again. MAGA, this is. You can also copy it from DEX. We'll paste it here. Okay, so we are on the Uniswap. You click on this and you paste the contract address that was copied from. CoinGecko, and this is Maga from. Okay, so let's assume we are buying 100 units of Ethereum, or let's use 10 units of Ethereum. So you have the 1,000 units of from. Okay, then you click on swap, and you have your token. You have your token wallet. Okay, MetaMask wallet or any wallet that you choose to use. Okay, guys. So this is simply what you need to do in order to maximize, in order to prepare from the first coin, Trump meme coin that will reach $1 billion. Okay, so consider supporting this channel by subscribing to this channel. Comment, like, share with your community, and share with your community. Okay, so there's a link on at the top of this video. It's a link on the top meme coin to hold. Okay, so if you want to make massive profit and be rich, these are the top meme coin that you need to. CoinDollar has a community, and in this community, our goal is to help people to make money on crypto daily. Okay, join the community by checking the description or in this video.